Hello everyone, my name is Samson Thomas, a postgraduate student from the Universitas Islam International, Indonesia. So today in this video, I'm going to present about the research process. So what is research process? This is a systematic process of gathering, identifying and interpreting the data to create a knowledge or to add in the existing knowledge. And this knowledge can be used to test the theories or to answer a certain research question. So when conducting a research, there are some of the steps that you need to follow. Here in this video, we just discussed 6 of them. The first one is about the identifying a research problem. In this, the main purpose is to pinpoint a question, an issue, or the gap in the knowledge that needs to be investigated. And here, where can we get this topic? It can be through literature reviews, observation, or the practical challenges. Sometimes, for students, this more challenging stage, we can even ask these topics from our research supervisors. End of this now, we need to justify the significance of the research that we need to conduct. So the second step is about the literature review. The main purpose of this is to understand the existing knowledge, identifying the gaps, and refine the research direction. And this here, we tend to review the journal articles, the books, the patents, and the relevant sources, and then summarizing the key findings and the methodologies that have been carried out by the other researchers, and at the end coming up with the knowledge gap that then will need to be addressed in our study. The third stage is about identifying the research aims. It involves taking the broader research topic or the question and refine them into the research questions and the hypothesis. So what is hypothesis? These are the assumptions that the researcher is designed to test, and this can either be the null or the alternative hypothesis. In this stage also, the researcher needs to identify the variables, either dependent, independent, or controlled variables. Another step is the research methodology. In this, the researcher now tends to identify either he or she will use the qualitative, quantitative, or the mixed design, and then develop the structured plan of collecting and analyzing the data. And this, the researcher can either use various techniques like experiments or surveys to collect the data, and also they should identify the sampling method and the sampling procedures. So the information or the data can be collected through experiments, through surveys, through interviews, or the field work. So after collecting the data now, we go to the step of the data analysis. This is about making the sense of the information you have collected and using it to answer your research questions or to test the hypothesis. This can involve techniques like the statistical analysis, the coding,